panagayang naitalay. Sikat inspirasyon ko iti inaldaw-aldaw at panagbiyak ko. Pasikat at kaulan, lawang alasang sarayan, gapukin ka ang lalayong tirasan. Ken panakaawan, awanin di umasin, panagayang naitalayan. Sikat inspirasyon ko iti inaldaw-aldaw ang panagbiyak ko. Pasikat pagtaugan, lawag alay sa sangayan, gapukin ka ang lalayong tirasan. Ken panakaawan, si kamet na tigapun na luwakay lang pibiyaga ikaw. Dek awanen tiragsak ko, lukas bilang mapukaw ka. Awanen di makaarta, walang ipatag mo ganyan. Biyag-biyag ko ay ayatin ka, naawan kaaspinan. Panagayang naitalayan. Sikat inspirasyon ko iti inaldaw-aldaw at panagbiyak ko. Pasikat pagtaugan, lawang alay sa sangayan, gapukin ka ang lalayong tirasan. Ken panakaawan, si kamet na tigapun na luwakay lang when I and my mother will disagree. To get my way, I would run from her to here. It made me laugh just to comfort me. Yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance we did, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I believe that outside the door, and I hear how mama cries for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than I know I'm working for much, too much, but please said the only man we loved. I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, we're dying to dance with our Father again. And not honestly, this is all I ever dreamed. I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, we're dying to dance with our Father again. If you could see me now, the one who said that she's right or wrong, the one who said she'd rather be alone. If you could only see me now, if I could hold you now, just for a moment, if I could really make you mine. Just for a while, turn back the hands of time. If I could only hold you now. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my dreams, lying in your loving arms again. If you could hear me now, singing somewhere through the lonely nights, dreaming of the eyes that have too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my chains, lying in your loving arms again. Taking any comfort that I can. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my chains, lying in your loving arms again. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any that I can. Looking back and longing for the freedom of my chains, lying in your loving arms again. I can almost feel your loving arms again.